Plaque is a soft, sticky film that builds up on the outside of the teeth and along the gum line. A person can often prevent and treat plaque buildup at home. If a person does not practice good dental hygiene, plaque can turn into a hard yellow-brown substance called tartar. When people eat, bacteria in the mouth break down the carbohydrates from food into acid, which mixes with leftover food particles and saliva to create plaque. Brushing and flossing often prevent plaque and tartar from forming. However, tartar can be more difficult to remove and sometimes requires a visit to the dentist's office for a professional cleaning. Poor oral hygiene can also cause bad breath, tooth decay, and gum disease, gingivitis. Recent research has also uncovered possible associations between gum disease and other health conditions, including pneumonia, dementia, and heart disease. Maintaining dental hygiene is key to preventing plaque and tartar buildup. In addition to regular dental hygiene, you can use some natural remedies to remove plaque and tartar. 1. Rubbing the teeth with orange peel. If you don't fancy rubbing vegetable glycerin on your teeth, you might prefer something a little simpler. You can rub orange peel directly onto your teeth, and this will help to fight tartar-building microorganisms on the enamel. You can also mash up the peel, though this may take some time, and apply it to the stained areas. Leave to rest and then rinse. You should find that this noticeably whitens the teeth. 2. Cleaning with baking soda. For many years, people have been using baking soda as a cleaning substance for teeth. It is slightly abrasive, so it pries and files nasty stuff from the surface of enamel. All you need to do is take only 1 tablespoon of baking soda. Add a pinch of salt. Then, dampen a toothbrush and dip it into the mixture. Clean your teeth as you usually would and rinse thoroughly. 3. Guava. Both guava fruit and leaves are considered excellent anti-plaque agents. To help remove plaque accumulated on the teeth and gums, wash some tender guava leaves and chew them thoroughly. Then spit them out. Do this daily to reduce the risk of plaque formation on the teeth. Take a piece of unripe guava. Sprinkle salt on it and chew it slowly. Do this 1 to 2 times daily for a few days. 4. Aloe vera. Aloe vera is effective at dealing with gum disease caused by plaque and tartar. Being an antimicrobial, it kills the bacteria that cause plaque buildup. Plus, it fights bad breath. Slit an aloe vera leaf and extract the pulp. Rub the pulp directly on your teeth and the gum line. Leave it on for 10 minutes. Then rinse it off with cold water. Use this remedy twice daily. 5. Cloves. Ground cloves have been widely used for ages as a home remedy to relieve toothaches. It can also be used to fight microbes in your mouth that may cause plaque and tartar. Mix 1 teaspoon of powdered cloves and a little olive oil. Apply this mixture on your teeth. Wait a few minutes. Then rinse it off with lukewarm water. Do this twice a day. Also, chew 1 or 2 cloves on a regular basis to support oral health and reduce bad breath caused by the bacteria in your mouth. 6. White vinegar. White vinegar contains acetic acid that can help prevent demineralization of enamel, as well as prevent and reduce accumulation of plaque. It also has antibacterial properties. Mix 2 teaspoons of white vinegar and 1 teaspoon of salt in cup of warm water. Rinse your mouth with this mixture once or twice a day.